Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. For that you have to open your Chrome browser and log in your Facebook account, then switch your Facebook page. Look here, this is my Facebook page dashboard. Now I am showing easy method step by step, so follow my whole process. Look at the right corner, tap on profile icon, go to about, scroll down, click here and cut this username, then save. Okay, now done. Okay, now successfully disconnect Instagram from Facebook. If in this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching.